Today I'm going to show you how to search emails by date range in Outlook. So I'm starting by opening my Microsoft Outlook app and logging into my account so all my emails can load in. I'll just wait a moment here while everything syncs up and all my messages appear in the inbox. This might take a few seconds depending on how many emails you have or how fast your connection is, so just give it a bit of time to fully load before moving forward. Once everything is loaded and I can see my emails, I'm heading over to my inbox pane. From here, I'm looking at the top part of my screen where the search bar is located. I'm clicking directly on that search bar now. As soon as I click it, the search bar expands and shows me some recommendations based on my recent searches or common filters. This is normal and gives you a quick preview of what you can search for. Now, right inside the search bar, I can see a small drop-down arrow. I'm clicking on that arrow now to reveal more advanced search options. This opens up a whole set of filters that let me narrow down my search in different ways, including by date range, which is exactly what we need. At this point, the advanced search bar is now open in front of me. I'm looking through the options here, and I need to find the field labeled Received. This is the option that controls when the emails were received, so it's the key to searching by date range. Once I locate the Received field, I can see there's a drop-down menu right next to it. I'm clicking on that drop-down now, and as soon as I do, a list of preset date ranges appears. These options include today, yesterday, this week, last week, this month, last month, this year, and last year. Each one represents a specific time frame, so I can quickly filter my emails without having to manually enter dates. From here, I'm simply selecting the date range I want to search within. For example, if I want to see all emails from this week, I'll click this week, or if I need something from last month, I'll choose last month instead. Whatever option I pick, Outlook will instantly filter my inbox to show only the emails that were received during that time period. This makes it really easy to find older messages or focus on recent ones without scrolling through everything manually. And once I select the date range, the results update right away so I can see exactly which emails match that filter. If the list is still too long, I can combine this with other search terms or filters to narrow it down even further. But in most cases, just choosing the right date range is enough to find what you're looking for. So that's it. I opened Outlook, clicked the search bar at the top, clicked the drop-down arrow to access advanced search, found the received field, and selected the date range I wanted from the drop-down menu. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.